Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to limit Microsoft Edge RAM usage on your PC. So this helps make your computer faster and stops Edge from using too much memory in the background. So to begin, first of all, click on the search icon here in the bottom. Over here in the search bar, you need to search for Microsoft Edge. Basically, you need to open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Now once this is done, click on the three dots on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now go to the settings. Over here in the settings, simply hover over to the left hand side and open the option of system and preferences. Over here, you just have to turn on the efficiency mode. Here in the efficiency mode, this feature is going to reduce the memory usage by putting the inactive tabs to sleep. Now you just have to go to the sleeping tabs. Here in the sleeping tabs, you just have to turn it on. You can also set how quickly the tabs go to sleep, like 5 to 10 seconds. This also saves a lot of RAM. After that, you can just scroll down and turn off the startup booster. So if it is enabled, you just have to basically disable it. So this stops Edge from loading in the background when your computer starts. Finally, you can close the unnecessary tabs. The more tabs you open, the more memory Edge uses. So this is how you can limit the Microsoft Edge RAM usage. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.